I'm Marketing Manager, Ilealayotv Homes and Entertainment. We really appreciate you for your patronage so far. God bless you. As we all know the situation of the country, things are easy. Let's claim it like that. We now have a better plan for you to make your payments weekly, daily, monthly. Our lands are located at Ondo, Ekiti, Ore, Abuja. We have hectares, acres for schools, farming, or residential.
And then there's Single, 500,000 naira Single. Airport, 1 million naira. Or Neobifan Ladura, 300,000 naira. And then on the analysis at the Wali Bateau Road, 500,000 naira. And you pay your parking, and you duplex, and you stay, and you center.
In case you want to do wedding, you want to do burial, you want to do a birthday party, you want to do a birthday badge or anything, just come straight to ilealayotv. It is well packaged. We are going to give you a full package. Anything you want that is going to give like a full package in your events, just come to ilealayotv Homes and Entertainment.
Just contact us, we will serve you better. We are located at
Dido, Suit 1,
Alagbaka, Akure. The number you can contact me on is 0807 208 7721.
This is my phone number 070 37 32 02 86.
Number telephone 070 32 65 5203.
Ilealayotv, Ilealayotv, Ilealayotv.